Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use StashFin app, full guide. Open the StashFin app and sign in with your registered mobile number or email to reach the dashboard. I will walk you through key sections like loans, cards, payments, and settings in simple steps. Follow along as we check eligibility, apply for a product, set up auto repayments, and review fees so you can use the app confidently and safely. To apply for a loan, tap the Loans tab and review your pre-approved offers clearly showing amounts and rates. Choose a tenure, confirm the EMI, and proceed to submit documents or accept soft KYC for faster approval. I will explain how to compare offers and avoid hidden fees so you know total repayment and monthly impact. Stick with me for tips on repayment scheduling and early closure options. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical app guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker as a fun way to hear payment reminders and financial alerts. I mention it as a casual gadget tie-in, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Managing repayments is simple when you use the app features that reduce stress and save money. Enable auto debit from your linked bank account to avoid missed EMIs and late fees, and use the calendar to change payment dates or make extra principal payments. I will show how to read your amortization, check notifications for due dates, and use reminders so you always stay on top of your loan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.